Screwing, am I right? Hello there. My name is Victor. I am a member of the R&D team here at MTC Solutions, North America's leading expert and supplier of mass timber hardware. We're based here in beautiful British Columbia. And today I'm here to cover the two main types of structural fasteners that we supply here at MTC Solutions: partially threaded and fully threaded carbon steel screws. So follow along as I explain the ways you can tell these two fascinating screws apart. Come. Now, you might be wondering, what are the differences between those fastener types? Well, let me tell you. First, partially threaded screws. These screws are comprised of three distinct parts: the thread, the shank, and the shank cutter. This feature is designed to widen the hole during installation, allowing for a smooth passage of the shank, reducing the friction between the screw and the wood. This also will decrease the amount of torque required for the installation. The main purpose of partially threaded screws is to engage two members and bring them together tightly. It does this by having the threaded portion engage in the first member and the second portion sliding in the second member. This allows for the gap to be closed when the screws are engaged. These screws are ideal for connections loaded in shear. Now, when it comes to fully threaded fasteners, as the name suggests, the thread goes along the entire shaft length. This means that both members are engaged and stay connected. These screws are amazing for reinforcing applications and offer outstanding withdrawal resistance. You'll see them being used in tandem with our beam hangers, such as the Megant. Now, these two series of fasteners come in a wide variety of dimensions when it comes to the diameter or the length. But they also come in a wide range of heads, all used in different configurations and have their own benefits. Partially threaded fasteners come in countersunk, hex, washer, and flat washer head options, whilst fully threaded fasteners come in countersunk, cylindrical, and reverse head options. Now, after explaining all this, I think it would be good to give you a little on-hands demonstration on how to use these fasteners. Follow me. So here is the MTC juicer with an orange. And you know what? I'm a bit thirsty. So let's press something. As we mentioned, fully threaded fasteners are made to reinforce the connection, but they can't really bring anything together. Let me show you. As you can see, it went all the way through the wood and did not bring the two pieces together and struggled to squish the orange. Now, what if we tried this with a partially threaded fastener? Cheers. That was delicious. Now, another significant change between these two fasteners is the tip. Partially threaded fasteners have a tip called a reamer tip. These are designed to maximize wood biting power. It works in tandem with the shank cutter to widen the hole during installation, and like we say, to reduce the friction between the wood and the screw. Now, in contrast, fully threaded fasteners come with a tip called a drilling tip. It is designed to widen the hole by pushing apart the fiber, mimicking a drilling bit. It does this so that there's maximum thread engagement throughout the entire length of the screw, allowing for a properly torqued installation. If you're looking for more information, click the link in the description. Now, you may think that all screws are created equal. Well, let me challenge that. You see, at MTC Solutions, our screws, they're not just regular hardware. No. Let me explain. First, for our American friends. Our structural screws have received an ICC ESR certification in the United States. This ensures a high level of performance and reliability. Secondly, for the Great White North, our fasteners hold a CCMC certification and comply with the CSA 08624 standards for case-hardened self-tapping screws, including a new requirement for a maximum core hardness of 390 Vickers for carbon steel. This limit helps reduce the risk of hydrogen embrittlement failures. Thirdly, they have also received an ISO 50001 certification, ensuring a proper energy management during manufacturing. Our ASSY self-tapping screws, with their environmental product declaration and 35% recycled steel content, can help you and your Massimo project earn up to 6 LEED 5.0 points, 3 for each, helping you make a real positive environmental impact. We also provide values for shear, withdrawal, head pull-through, tensile capacity, and buckling, which have all been tested in accordance with the relevant internationally accepted standards. All those documents and certifications are available upon request or on our website. You can find the link in the description of this video.
Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you learned a thing or two along the way. If you have any questions, please reach out to our technical support team. They will gladly answer any and all questions you have regarding Massimo connections, hardware, or products. Thank you for watching, and remember, it is tested and proven. See you next time.